Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Philips TAT8506 noise canceling earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they're not syncing or pairing with your device, or they keep disconnecting, or if you're getting sound only out of the left ear or the right ear, a lot of these types of issues can be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you will need to pair them again with your device because all of the pairing history will be wiped off of it. Which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to wipe everything off so that you can get a fresh start with these earbuds like you just bought them, we can go ahead and do that. So the first thing to do is just to go to whatever devices you've had them paired with in the past, turn the Bluetooth off, and have them forget these earbuds. The next thing we want to do is put the earbuds in the case with the lid open as shown here. And we're just going to come in here and do a double tap on the pairing button. So tap, tap on the pairing button. That will initiate a reset, at which point we can, it will re-enter pairing mode and we can pair them as a new set of earbuds.